In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download big folders and files from Google Drive easily without zip files, using the best method for a clean, normal download process. If you've ever tried downloading a large folder from Google Drive and ended up with a zip file, or maybe the download felt confusing and slow, this tutorial will help you avoid all of that. We'll use Google Drive for Desktop, which lets you access your drive right inside File Explorer and copy your files like normal folders on your computer. This is a huge time saver, especially if you work with large projects, lots of documents, videos, or shared folders. And before we jump in, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the best method is to install Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. This is the desktop app from Google that syncs your drive with your PC, so you can browse files directly without needing to compress everything into a zip archive. Open your browser and download Google Drive for Desktop if you haven't already installed it. Once the app is installed, sign in using the Google account that contains the files or folders you want to download. After you sign in, Google Drive for Desktop will connect your account and make your cloud storage available in File Explorer. Now, open File Explorer on Windows. On the left-hand side, you should see Google Drive listed just like a regular drive location on your computer. Click on Google Drive and then open My Drive. This is where your folders and files will appear if they're stored in your main drive. If the folder you need is shared with you, you may also need to check the Shared with Me area inside the app or move it into your drive first, depending on how it was shared. Once you find the folder or files you want, you can simply copy them normally to your PC. That means you can drag and drop or right-click and copy, just like any other folder on your computer. The big advantage here is that no zip file is created. Your files stay in their normal format, and you don't have to extract anything after the download finishes. This method is especially useful for large folders because it keeps the process simple and organized. Instead of waiting for Google Drive to package everything into a compressed download, you're just accessing the files through the desktop app and moving them where you want them. If you want, you can copy the folder to your desktop, documents, or any other location on your computer for easy access. If you're dealing with very large folders, this method is also more reliable because it behaves more like local file management than a web download. That means fewer headaches, less confusion, and a much smoother workflow overall. Another helpful tip is to make sure Google Drive for Desktop stays signed in and running in the background while you work. That way your files remain accessible whenever you need them. If you ever have trouble seeing a folder, refresh File Explorer or check that you're logged into the correct Google account. So to quickly recap, the easiest way to download big folders and files from Google Drive without zip files is to use Google Drive for Desktop. Sign into your account, open File Explorer, go to Google Drive, open My Drive, and copy the files normally to your PC. It's simple, fast, and much better than dealing with compressed downloads. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.